How to connect your Google Apps with Gemini. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can connect your different Google applications with Gemini. So in order to start, the steps are fairly very easy. All you will need to do is simply follow up. So after launching in your gemini.google.com, you can see the interface like this. Now in this interface, you need to click onto the settings and help button at the bottom left corner. Once you will do this, you will see a menu that appears right here. And from this particular menu, you will need to click onto the third option, that is connected apps. After clicking onto the connected apps, you can have these options either from Google or other. So you can filter out by typing in the from Google option. So these are all the apps that will be connected with within your Google Workspace, which includes Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Keep, and Google Tasks. If you wish Gemini and these apps to get connected, simply enable this and it will ask you for permission with this. It says to complete your request, Gemini will access and manage items from Google Workspaces and can share parts of your conversations as well. So if you wish to proceed, click onto the connect button and you are all set. All of these apps have been successfully connected to your Gemini, and you can ask Gemini to access your mails or to find out your schedule or create and delete Google tasks for you as well. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.